Hello dear traders, in this first lecture I will talk about preparing the trading environment, the tools that we have in EA Studio and the historical data from the broker, which is very important in algorithmic trading. So after you have registered for the free trial account, which one more time you can do it from right over here, start trial account, and once you are logged into your account, the first thing you might want to do is go to tools. This is where you need to set up your account, the trading session hours, general settings, correlation analysis, and we have backtest output metrics and the settings management. So the first thing is to set up your account. It is good if it matches your trading account. So if you start first trading on a demo account, and actually it is recommendable to start on a demo account, and for example if you have selected to use euro as account currency and initial account, let's say 5,000, and below is the leverage. So it is very good if these account settings match your trading account. Now on the right side you have the trading session. This is where you can set up the trading hours for the strategies. If you want to trade strategies between certain hours, for example during the London Stock Exchange session or the New York Stock Exchange session, you can set it from right over here. I have such a course where I show how to trade expert advisors during certain hours of the day. But normally I leave it this way. Do not trade on Sunday. You can check that if you don't want your EAs to be trading on Sunday. Some brokers offer trading on Sunday, but normally the volatility there is very low, and I personally prefer not to trade on Sunday. And then you have the option to choose if you want to close the trades at the end of the session or to close them at Friday close. I keep them unchecked because I want to trade with the expert advisors all the time from Monday till Friday. Okay, the general settings, you have the option to select start the backtest from the 100 bar, and this is how actually MetaTrader works. So if you select this option, your backtest should match with the backtest in MetaTrader, and you have the option to choose close the position at the end of the backtest, which is alright as well if you leave it this way. Correlation analysis is something very interesting. It detects balance lines correlation and it detects strategies with similar trading rules. This means that when we use the generator, we will have totally different strategies. They will not have similar trading rules and they will not have similar balance lines. Alright, and below you have the settings management, from where you can reset all settings, you can export or import settings. As well, on the left side we have the backtest output metrics, which allows you to set the backtest output for the strategies that you see into the generator, into the collection, or in the strategy editor. So if you have a strategy, on the right side we have this backtest output, and I have selected to use the net profit, profit factor, R squared, maximum stagnation, and count of trades. Just these 5 are most important for me. Of course the others are important as well, and if you want to change any of those, you can do it from here. So if you want, for example, to have return to drawdown ratio on the top, you can change it from here, and when you go to strategy you can see it is changed. But one more time, I prefer to have the net profit on the top and then the profit factor, R squared, maximum stagnation in percentage, and count of trades. So this is about the settings that we have in EA Studio. On the left side you have the acceptance criteria, which I will explain a little bit more in details later on. And we have the available indicators, so here you can select which indicators to use when generating the strategies and which not to use. We have preset indicators, which allows you to add some indicators when you run the generator, and these indicators, they will stay in every strategy. So for example, if I choose to use accelerator oscillator rises and I run the generator, this indicator will be part of all strategies. So if you have like a favorite indicator that you want to trade with in every strategy, you can select it from right over here. I personally don't do that. And on the bottom we have the translation editor, where actually you can help translating the software in different languages. If you go to home, you will see that there are already many languages, and if you change to any, for example to Italian, you can see everything goes to Italian. And actually from tools, one more time, you can help editing the Italian language or any other languages that you are familiar with, or especially if they are your mother languages. And then the translation will be approved and your changes will apply. So let me go back to English. Alright, and now I will show you how to export the historical data from your broker and put it in EA Studio and use it when you generate strategies. Now normally when you start using the EA Studio for the first time, you will see the MetaTrader demo, which is data uploaded automatically, and you can use it as well. But if you want to put your own data, you need to go to data, and then there are the two scripts: EA Studio data export for MT4 and then EA Studio data export for MT5. You can download it from here, and in the next video I will show you how to export the data from your MetaTrader platform. Thank you for watching.